Hello, my dear students. Hope you all well and safe with your family. Here I am Shathirani Sutradhar, Lecturer Department of Biology, Milestone College, Uttara, Dhaka. Today's Chapter 1 Healthy Life, Better Living. Today's topics food and nutrition, elements of food, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats, and lipid, and vitamin. Food and nutrition. The edible items which can produce energy and immunity and help to grow and developing a living body by its nutrients are called food. Nutrition is getting necessary food item from the environment and digesting and absorbing them, then fulfillment of energy need, developing the immunity of diseases and growth of the body. The organic and inorganic element in food which provide the vital force of the living body are collectively called the nutrients. We can give example, that is glucose, minerals and vitamins, etc. There are main three functions of food, that is growth and development, repair and protection of the body. Number 2, production of heat and energy. Number 3, protection the body from diseases and make the body healthy, energetic and active. Elements of food. There are 6 components of food, that is carbohydrate, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals and water. Here we can see a chart which is components of food. It is two types. One is main component and two is supplementary components. Main components again is three types, that is carbohydrate, protein and fats. On the other hand, supplementary components are three types: vitamins, minerals and water. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates are the main food for human being. It produces energy and heat. It is formed by carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Sugar has no color and smell, but it sweet in taste. Plant sources, that is starch, glucose, fructose, sucrose, cellulose. We can see the picture of starch. First of all, starch, which is potato and flour. Number 2 picture is cellulose. Number 3 picture, it is sucrose, which we use in our table sugar. And fourth picture is fructose, that is fruit sugar. Nutritional value. Carbohydrate has an important role in nutrition. Carbohydrate produce energy and heat in body. During respiration, carbohydrate is oxidized and produce energy for metabolism. Glycogen provides energy in deficiency of food or in hard labor. To get rid of the deficiency disease of sugar, we have to take an optimum amount of sugar every day. On the other hand, if the amount of sugar is more than the need, extra fat is accumulated as fat cell in the body. It may cause diabetes. An adult male person need to eat food equal to 2500 kilocalorie per day, and for a woman this figure is 2000 kilocalorie a day. Proteins. A protein is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen. There is 16% nitrogen in proteins. A protein is converted into an amino acid after digestion. A protein is identified by its amino acid. 20 types of amino acids have been found so far in the human body. There are two types of proteins, that is plant proteins and number 2 is animal proteins. We can see the figure 1 and 2. Fats and lipid. Fats are composed of fatty acid and glycerol. There are 20 types of fatty acid in food. The quality of fats depends on fatty acid. Solid lipids are called fats. Lipids are saturated fatty acids. Number 1, it is also two types. Number 1 animal lipids and number 2 plant lipids. We can see many sources of animal and plant lipids. We can see the structure. Animal lipids, that is milk, egg, butter, etc., and plant lipids, that is different kinds of vegetable oil. Role of lipid. Lipid is the highest source of heat and energy in the body. Number 2, lipid is essential for the growth and nutrition of the body. Number 3, it prevents the misuse of heat and works as a source of food storage for the future. It keeps the skin smooth, soft and healthy, and thus protect the skin from skin diseases. Lipid helps to absorb the soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, D, E and K. Disease resulting from lipid deficiency and its remedies. The deficiency of lipids causes skin diseases and asthma. Skin becomes dry and rough and loses its beauty. The long-time deficiency of lipid causes breakdown of the stored protein and body loses its weight. On the other hand, too much of lipid disturbs the blood circulation of the body. For this reason, fatty body is easily attacked to diseases. Vitamins. Even if the food contains sufficient amount of carbohydrates and proteins, a special type of food is necessary for the normal growth and nutrition of the body. This food element is called vitamin. Some vitamins are soluble in water and some in fat. Fat soluble vitamins, that is vitamin A, D, E and K. On the other hand, water soluble vitamins, that is vitamin B complex and vitamin C. First of all, vitamin A. There are two types of source, that is animal source, milk, cow's milk, butter, yogurt, liver and different types of oil fish, especially cod fish. Plant source, that is amaranthus, kochu shak, jute, leaf, mint, pea, carrot, ripe papaya, etc. Function of vitamin A. It ensures smooth activities for the growth and development of the body. It maintains normal activity of different types of epithelial tissue, example, skin and cornea of the eyes. It keeps teeth, gum and bones healthy. It keeps the eyesight normal and protects the eyes from night blindness. It protects the body from contagious diseases. Deficiency symptoms of vitamin A and its remedies. Night blindness is the result of deficiency of vitamin A. Cornea ulcer also result from its deficiency. This is called xerophthalmia. Due to this disease, a person becomes totally blind. Vitamin D. We can get vitamin D in yolks of egg, milk, butter, cabbage, liver and oil-rich fish. Function of vitamin D. It helps the body absorb calcium, which is useful to build bones. Deficiency symptoms of vitamin D and its remedies. Because of the deficiency of vitamin D, children may be attacked with rickets diseases. On the other hand, taking more vitamins than the need is harmful to the body. So, a huge amount of calcium and phosphorus are absorbed. As a result, a large amount of calcium is stored in the kidney, heart and brain. Vitamin E. We can get vitamin E in all types of vegetables oil, especially palm oil, corn oil, cotton seed oil, sunflower oil, etc. Function of vitamin E. It works like antioxidant. This antioxidant inhibits the accumulation of fat in vein, also participates in various metabolic activities. It also removes infertility of human being and other animals. Deficiency symptoms of vitamin E and its remedies. The embryo may die in the uterus for the deficiency of vitamin E. Vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex or vitamin B are 12 in number. This group of vitamins is called the vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is very important for normal health. The presence of vitamin B is essential for the growth of the body, especially for the work of the brain and the nervous system, metabolic activity of the cell, and for reproduction. The source, deficiency syndrome, and the amount of the different types of vitamins in the B complex groups are shown below. We can see a chart. There are vitamins thiamine, which we usually call vitamin B1. We can get from rice, pulse, oils, liver, egg, milk, etc. And we can see its symptoms. Riboflavin, that is called vitamin B2. We can get it from liver, egg, milk, green vegetables, etc. On the other hand, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. Vitamin C complex. Sources: fruit like amloki, lemon, orange, tomato, pineapple, and guava are the sources of vitamin C. Vegetables like radish, green chili, mint, etc. We can get vitamin C from these sources. The role of vitamin C are: the cells of skin, bone, teeth becomes compact and strong. The damaged cells get repaired. Teeth and gum become strong. Vitamin C has an important role in the metabolism of fat, protein, and amino acid. It keeps the skin bright and smooth. It protects the body from diseases. Deficiency symptoms of vitamin C and its remedies. Due to its deficiency, scurvy disease occurs. For its deficiency, bones cannot become strong. Skin diseases are caused by its deficiency, and it takes time to repair the damaged cell. The gum of the teeth swell and teeth become weak. The immunity of the body decreases and frequently catches cold. Thanks. Keep watching and learning.